Howdy. Mike here. The Fresh Rinse on location in Mason, Ohio for opportunity 2 of 3 on today. It is Halloween and Jazzy got his first score. Let me tell you the story. This past Saturday, we had a work detail day at our church, and afterwards I had to go wash. So I drove Jazzy to the church, and then after the work detail, I was en route to the opportunity that I had for Saturday, and a nice lady, this lady, Laura is her name, called just as I was pulling out of the church parking lot, and she said, "I just saw your truck, and I don't know who to call, but I need my house washed." So here we are to wash Laura's house. So the truck wrap altogether was right around the 3,000 mark. And I still have to get this portion wrapped, but that's included in the price. So all told, around $3,000. Now that might seem like a high ticket, a high price to pay for advertising. But I promise you, that in time, Jazzy will more than pay for. This portion, by the way, is going to be yellow, mimicking this yellow, and then in blue it'll say Mike's Pressure Washing. Historically, my truck wraps have more than paid for themselves. In terms of professionalism, one, but even more so in just the sheer calls that I get because of my truck wrap. People seeing me at the stoplight, in the parking lot, what have you. And when that happens, I tend to take note of that, and I'm going to do that with Jazzy as well. Kind of taking note, and maybe even take a literal note, of how often people hire me because they see Jazzy. And then my plan is to kind of total that and see how long it takes to pay off the truck wrap. I promise you it will happen. The odd thing about this house wash is I tried to upsell the concrete work, driveway, walkway, and whatnot. And the nice lady said, well, we actually had that washed recently. We thought, well, why didn't they have the house washed? I don't know. Maybe they didn't like those people. Maybe they were waiting for someone with a really cool truck. So my encouragement to you would be never skimp on advertising. Wrapping your vehicle is not something you do just to make it look cool. It eventually pays for itself. And then after it pays for itself, it's just free marketing, free advertising. So I'm really anxious to see just how many jobs that Jazzy gets me. It's kind of exciting. Okay, real quick update. So I just got paid, and the nice lady told me that the reason they didn't pressure wash the house is because the company that pressure washed their driveway told them that the house needed to be painted. So temperature was 28 when I got up this morning. It was just above freezing when I began washing. I've got one more wash. I have to winterize every night this week, and it's been fun to winterize Jazzy. Super, super simple process. I will make a video of that, maybe even tonight, and post it tomorrow. All right, if you have not yet liked and subscribed, be sure to do that. Leave a comment. All of that helps the channel greatly. I'm super grateful. And hit that bell tab, and you will be alerted to all my future videos. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. My name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm off to the next one.